Pinecone truffles are a creative dessert idea that mimics the appearance of the natural beauty of pine cones. Often dusting of powdered sugar adds a frosty snow-kissed effect, enhancing their rustic and wintry appeal. These truffles are often made with a base mixture of cake, biscuits, or brownies and are shaped and decorated to resemble a pine cone. The base layered with almond flakes chocos, or cornflakes, arranged to replicate the overlapping scales of a real pine cone. These truffles are both delicious and decorative, perfect for parties, or give someone as a gift. Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for You presents Pinecone truffles. Step 1. Prepare the base mixture. Take 154 grams Oreos packet. Instead of Oreos, you can even use brownies or leftover chocolate cake. Blend into mixer jar. Remove crushed biscuits in a bowl. Add 80 grams cream cheese. Mix well until well combined. Adjust the consistency accordingly to holds together when shaped. Instead of cream cheese, you can use chocolate ganache or condensed milk. Step 2. Shape the truffles. Take small portions of the mixture and form them into oval shapes to resemble the base of a pine cone. Shape it as shown. Repeat the same procedure for all. Shape it as shown. Chill the mixture if needed. Coat with ganache if you want. Place on butter paper, they will come out easily. Step 3. Decorate with scales. To give an original pinecone shape, use chocos, flaked almonds, or corn flakes as per your choice. Starting from the narrow end. Press Chocos pieces into the truffle in overlapping layers. Work your way up to the top. Repeat the same procedure for all. Make pinecone pattern with the help of Chocos as shown. Step 4. Chill and serve. Place the truffles in the refrigerator to set at least 1 hour. Garnish with crushed Oreos and Chocos. Serve them chilled as a beautiful and festive dessert. Step 5. Add a finishing touch. Dust the finished truffles with icing sugar on top to give a snowy effect. I didn't refrigerate enough time, so it's not set yet. Again, I placed in a refrigerator for some time. Every single pinecone looks incredibly beautiful. You try this quick and easy 3 ingredients rich pinecone truffles recipe and share your valuable feedback with us. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.